Alright, so you go to turn on your computer, right? And it just doesn't work, you know? You don't know why. You're trying everything, and it just isn't working, you know? Why? Well, luckily, you don't have to worry why, because this guide is that good. So, step 1. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Open up your computer. Alright, so it turns out that my computer actually just had a little white screw that I had to unscrew. But, you should probably just, shake your computer around and maybe patch with a hammer, just for good measure. Alright, now it's time for step 3. For step 3, you just gotta start pulling random things out of your computer. Step 4, lay all the parts that you pull out of your computer out so that you can see them. So what you're going to want to do is get some confetti and sprinkle it over all the computer parts that you just pulled out. The reason that this works is that your computer parts feel like they haven't been appreciated. And so by showering them in confetti, they now feel appreciated and will work harder. You can also, if you want, put confetti on top of the parts that are already in the computer. Just for good measure, So now for step 5. This is where we put everything back. So, get out your Scotch tape. Just tape things back in, right? It doesn't matter where things go, it's the computer's smart enough, we'll figure it out. And if any of the confetti fell off, you can just sprinkle it back on. Alright, step 6. Turn on the computer, and we're all done.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.